Dear students, in this video, let us solve MCQ based model question paper 2. First question in chemistry part. When a copper is exposed to air for a long time, it acquires a green coat because it reacts with. As already we have studied that when copper is exposed for a long time, it acquires green coat because copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide and forms copper carbonate, which is responsible for green color. So, correct answer for this question is option D, moist carbon dioxide. Related to this concept, when iron is exposed for a long time, it reacts with moist air and acquires brown coat. Similarly, silver reacts with sulfur and develops black coat due to the formation of silver sulfide. Next question, the number of single bonds and double bonds present in a structure of benzene molecule respectively. Let us find the answer for this question by writing benzene structure. First, single bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Double bonds 1, 2 and 3. 3 double bonds. So, correct answer for this question is option B, 9 and 3. Next question, the gas liberated when sodium carbonate reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid is. Formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Its formula is HCl. When these two reacts, the products formed are sodium chloride, NaCl, H2O, water and CO2. Here gas released is carbon dioxide. So correct answer for this question is option D, carbon dioxide. Next question is the common molecular formula for both cyclopropane and propene. Correct answer for this question is option A, C3H6. Next question, the substance that changes the color of red litmus paper into blue color. As already we know that the substances that turns red litmus into blue are bases. Among the given options, the base is sodium hydroxide. So the answer is option D, sodium hydroxide solution. Next question, the amphoteric oxide among the following is. Amphoteric oxide means the oxides which reacts with both acid and base to produce salt and water. Examples for amphoteric oxides are aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. So correct answer here is option B, zinc oxide. Next question, an alloy that made up of copper and tin is. Alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or non-metals. Alloy made up of copper and tin is bronze. Option C, bronze is the correct answer. Similarly, other alloys. Iron, nickel and chromium are the components of stainless steel. Copper and zinc are the components of brass. Lead and tin are the components of solder. Next question. When carbon dioxide reacts with calcium hydroxide, salt and water are produced. Then the nature of carbon dioxide is. Carbon dioxide is non-metallic oxide, which are acidic in nature. So, correct answer for this question is option A, acidic. Metallic oxides, example, sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide are basic in nature. Next question. The three elements were written in the order of increasing atomic mass. The atomic mass of middle element was roughly the average of the atomic masses of other two elements. This law was stated by. This is the Dobereiner's law of triads. So, correct answer for this question is option A, Dobereiner. Next question. Carbon has the ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. This unique property of carbon is. Carbon, by bonding with other carbon atoms, forms a large molecule. This property of carbon is called catenation. So, correct answer for this question is option B, catenation. Next question. The group of compounds which are in homologous series. Homologous series means series of organic compounds in which succeeding members differ by CH2 is called homologous series. Let us find the difference between the compounds given in option A. Difference between CH4 and C2H6 is CH2. And difference between C2H6 and C3H8 is also CH2. So, these compounds are in homologous series. So, correct answer for this question is option A. Next question. The number of periods and groups in the modern periodic table respectively are. As we have already observed, the number of periods in the modern periodic table is 7 and the number of groups is 18. So, correct answer for this question is option A, 7 and 18.